Let's have a look at the second part of our vocabulary words. Miser, knave, weedy wiser, greenhorn, captivating, coward, peculiar, notorious. Miser, the person who's very close-fisted. In Urdu we can say him conjuse. Knave, that is an adjective that means the person is very straight to everything, not much clever, not much stunning, or not cunning. Witty wiser, hazard jawab, is very kind of, you cannot talk if you're talking, is giving you answer even you did not finish it yet. Greenhorn, फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, फर्स्ट टाइम, ऐसा आदमी जो पहली बार कोई काम करने जा रहा हो, उसको इतना करना ना आता हो, ग्रीन हार्न कहलाता है. कैप्टिवेटिंग, प्रोकशिश, अट्रैक्टिव, आई कैचिंग. कवर्ड, बोस्टिल, डरपोक, timid. Peculiar, peculiar, very weird kind of awkward, ajibogarib. Notorious, in Urdu we can say badnaam, but in English, a notorious person is very famous for his bad things, bad action. Thank you for watching.